Acrid is a melee ranged hybrid who uses powerful poisons to melt tanky enemies. Poison is an extremely powerful DOT. Make sure to apply it as often as possible. Poison leaves enemies at 1 HP, so prioritize items and drones that help you finish them off. Because Acrid has no natural defenses, hit and run tactics can help you stay alive. Neurotoxins' low cooldown can help Acrid function as a ranged character in a pinch. Okay. Oh, he's slow. So basically we want to use our mouse 2 with the flyers and then kill everything else with the F, poisoning them, let them run out, focus the flyers, and then finish everybody off at 1 health. Definitely want some sort of like able to hit them in the air. So like gasoline. Okay, so if I do R, then that'll spread to everybody. I see, and bleed actually might be good because if we attach bleed to them, they will die at 1 HP. I knew it. We should have just jumped away. Okay. That's the worst boss we can get. Oh! All my attacks explode. Might be worth getting rid of everything. Okay, don't allow him to. Let's just continue to smack him with shit. Easy peasy. Bandolier is terrible. We are tanky though. Oh, another red. Spare drone parts. Fuck yeah. Spare drone parts is ridiculous. Gasoline is awesome. I think we just want damage to bosses because it's gonna be the trickiest part. Another red? It's 3 reds. Pfft, so many Fs. So many jumps. Around the whole time. Let's just not be dumb. Oh. Can we out damage it? Yeah, I gotta get the scavenger. I gotta loop, basically. So maybe I'll be able to do the Helcon victory as well. Goat Hoof seems like the best option. Sound, Kia. Sound okay? There's one thing too loud. My voice too loud. Is the music too loud? Let me know. Goat Hoof. Sound is perfect. Beautiful. Shuriken is great. And I don't think there's anything over there. So let's just do this and we got it. Poison. Go and poison the next guy. Poison. One dead. The other one's gonna be dead, I guess. Ignition tank. Oh my. I think this is just the best. This just has to be, because let's see if it activates. It does. Okay, beautiful. I'll take another key. There we go. Oh, okay. More explosions. I'll take some movement speed. Maybe we just do it. Oh! Shield's back. Okay, let's not get hit by any of those. One down. Other one's healing. Poison them. Such a weird playstyle. At the way. Oh, another yellow. Don't mind that, because we're melee. We can scrap all that stuff. Alright, sure. ATG, great. Oh, a legendary. The frost field on a melee character. Root people? Oh, this doesn't seem bad. I mean, more shrimp is good, but let's get people rooted. Another Oh my. The amount of legendaries is actually ridiculous. Shift destination. And wherever our guy spawns. Get a hoppo feather, sure. What does he give us? Just boosts health. I think that's the second one we got. Yeah. Ceremonial dagger. Yep. And a couple of these. Yep. More damage to bosses is great. Drone is amazing. ATG is awesome. Okay. Okay, good. More boss items. Oh, another one. Jeez, the amount of reds is ridiculous. Sure, Thorn debuffs transferring is awesome. Okay, regenerating scrap. We got one anyways. We are okay. Dead. More rooting enemies. Needle tick. That seems pretty bad, but we don't have anything else. I think I'll take it. I think it seems fine. Seems fine. Yeah, I'll take that. Focus crystal is great. I'll take another shuriken. We did not get a Helcon shrine, so guess we're going to Mithrix. And time to activate the portal. Okay. Everything blow up. We can afford to loop again, right? Scavenger. Oh yeah. We did it. Lots of shit. Without realizing. Let's be careful. Let the poison do the work. Let the poison do the work. Buy my drones back when they die. Do some explosion work. Keep him poisoned. He's gonna slowly die. Okay, there we go. What legendary do we get? The electric boomerang. Sure. Alright, let's just do the teleporter. Okay, got him. Band is great. Switch to loop. And go. I'll take. Okay, I can't take ukulele. Ukulele and more damage to bosses. Sure. Shrine. Legendary. Luck is on our side. Let's do the teleporter. Let's just get rid of the enemies. We got enough. Okay, it's dead. All the enemies are over there. This is it. We're gonna unlock the last character. Gotta kill as many of these guys as possible. Alright, now we can start hitting the shrines. Okay, let's go. Five, 6, 7. Really nice dead. Okay. Get the Hellgun seed, go through the green portal. Damn. Damn. Double scavenger right off the hop. Teddy bear. Okay, let's find the teleporter. Give the map less time to spawn in busted people. What does that do? I guess we'll see. We'll look out for it. Okay. Okay. I mean, might as well get one. Oh, fuck. I didn't mean to get two. Shit. Well, whatever. I don't think it's gonna matter, but we'll be able to spam mouse 2s at the very least, and our Hulk smashes. Here we go. This is the moment of truth. Did not mean to get 2 alien heads. Poison. Did you not know that we are a ranged hero? We're ranged. Oh. Okay, he's dead. Now we gotta not get hit by him. Or just kill him. Yeah! That was busted from the first instance. No, we won still. We won. We won. We won. I didn't know we had to kill the Aurelia there. Yeah, it's still a 1. At least it should be. Wait. We gotta go check in the logbook if it is a win. Are you fucking kidding me? It's time to win with the lizard. Plus now I'm just trying to win on this run. I don't want any challenge. Because I won that last run. Come on. Almost got him. Oh my gosh. I'm invisible. Okay. Yeah, we're doing Frenzied Leap. And this will be the last run of the day. So we will win. I see a gasoline. Okay, I'm interested. Tell me more. It's so nice. Oh. Jace. Wanted to drag everything over to the queens. What we get to 2 prayer beads. Hell yeah. I'll take that. Another sales star? I mean, that'll help. That'll activate again in this round. Why not? We got him. Okay. All right, now we hope for a good printer next run or next moon. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's go activate, get us some fireworks. Yes! Ignition tank. Okay, it's coming together. It's coming together. Random. Okay. We're gonna scrap the prayer beads because they're ready. Very nice. Maybe we should get just 5 topaz. Fuck. Whatever. Yeah, we're chilling. Everybody's blowing up. Exactly like we planned. Oh, get out of there. Now they're healing up. For fuck's sake. Oh, I got stuck. That has to be enough. All those things dying. Okay, good. That blind pest is going to be the problem. Squid polyp. Kind of have to, don't we? We might get rid of a sail star, but 1 is fine. This is also... It's not that great, is it? Ah, the ignition tank we did not want to get rid of. Let's get 2, maybe 3 legendaries. Give me 3, give me 3, give me 3. Oh yeah, no, that's 2. Fuck. Those are 2 bad ones, too. We can be smart and we can win. I thought it was gonna be the easy ones left. ATG. I think we got enough money. We can just do this and then... Deathmark, fuck yes. The bear. I'll take it. Because we don't have any bears yet. Take it. Antler printer. We could take some antlers. Oh! Something. I didn't even see it. Oh my. Fucking terrible. Movement actually might just be the best play here. Fungus, hell yeah. Alright, Mithrix time. And we left this. Okay, we're chilling. I've not seen my health go down whatsoever. Oh, yeah, we stepped in a puddle. Can't do that. Kill all those. Okay, everything's dead. Whoa. I'll take that. Okay. Get running. Slowly get him. Half health. We're permanently reducing his armor by a lot. Gotta hit him. Let's kill that one while we can. This is gonna be a little bit of a slow. Okay. Let's hit these guys with that one. Oh. Okay. Okay, that one's dead. Not just these little guys. Oh, and this guy. Now just the two little guys. Okay, that's a decent chunk. I gotta buy back my drones. Okay. Where are my drones? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. We got it. That was a little stressful, but we got it. Okay. Just go along the line and poison them one by one. There we go. Acrid mastery completed. Oh. We had it on the second run, but we didn't at the same time. Victory. Now that is, I don't know how many characters out of them all. That was a little bit of a stressful Mithrix. Acrid, Mithrix seems pretty easy with Acrid.